If minus 5x plus 2 is less than minus 3x minus 6, solve for x. What do we do first? What's the first step?
I would add 3 to 5x squared.
Okay, let's do that. So you add 3x to both sides of the equation. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. You can either add 3x to both sides of the equation or add 5x to both sides of the equation. Which one would be better to do? It doesn't make a difference.
Okay.
Does it make a difference which way you do?
I didn't think it did. No, it's not going to make a difference.
Okay, look. If I add 3x on the left-hand side, I get minus 5x plus 3x, right? Plus 2 here. And then on the right-hand side, I will get minus 6, right? So what would be the next step?
I would take 2. No, yeah, I would subtract 2 from both sides.
Okay, so let's just subtract 2 from both sides here. And then here I would get, what do I get on the left-hand side? Minus 5x plus 3x. What do we get?
We get negative 2x.
Negative 2x. Negative 2x is less than what?
8.
No, not 8. Minus 8, right?
Negative 8.
You mean negative 8. Okay. So you see, the reason we got a negative coefficient here is because you move the larger x where the smaller x is located. See, this negative 3x is larger than minus 5, right? Negative 3 is larger than minus 5. You move the negative, a smaller x where the larger x is located, so you end up getting a negative exponent. If you move it the other way around, if you move the smaller x where larger x is, then you don't have to worry about this negative. But it doesn't matter. At this point, how would you solve for x?
I'm going to divide negative 2 by both sides.
Okay, if I divide negative 2 from both sides of the equation, what's going to happen? What's going to happen?
I get x is less than 4.
Okay, when you divide by negative or multiply by negative, what do you do with this inequality, though?
I'm going to... Oh, I flipped it.
Yeah, you have to switch the direction of inequality. Don't forget that. When you divide or multiply by negative, the direction of inequality switches, and here you get 4. So it would be x is greater than 4, all the number to the right of 4, right? Okay. Now, if you did this the other way around, let's just do it differently to see the difference here. So if I move the smaller x where the larger x is located instead, okay. So let me rewrite this because it didn't come out really good. Okay. Let me delete this. What I'm going to do is write down the problem again. Minus 5x plus 2 is less than minus 3x minus 6. So this time, I'm going to move the smaller x where the larger x is located. In other words, I'm going to add 5x to both sides of the equation. Okay. If I do that, then I would get, on the left-hand side, I get just 2. And on the right-hand side, I would get negative 3x plus 5x. You see the coefficient of x, which turns out to be positive now. So this would be 2x minus 6 And then if I add 6 to both sides of the equation, inequality in this case, then I don't have to worry about that negative coefficient, and then I don't have to worry about switching the side. So here I get 2x, and then here you get greater than 8. So if I divide both sides by just simply 2, so x would be same again, greater than 4. You see it's the same answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then if I wanted to graph this, that would be all the numbers that are, if this is 0 and this is 4, greater than 4 would be all the number to the right of 4, right? All the numbers that are to the greater than 4 would be to the right of 4, not including the 4, because it doesn't say equal to, so you have to make this a little hole here, right? So if I say equal to, then we're going to include the 4. If this were equal in there, if I had the equal sign here, so everything would be equal here, and then you would include this endpoint. Otherwise, you don't include the endpoint. Do you follow that so far?
Yes.
Okay, good.